depends on what the call's about. Yeah.
Wait, can I take care of it? Yeah.
Dad's on the phone apparently.
All right, baby. It's starting to rain a little more.
Wait, I'm taking a video of the bear. You're poking. Leave. You want to do No, I don't.
Okay, now I want to see you both run full speed now.
Yeah.
See what happens.
Yeah, that'd be like, that would follow us. Yeah.
Oh, he's going into the Manson house.
So I had to see if there's going to be more pictures of dogs or babies.
I know, that'll be interesting.
Maybe dogs with babies.
Yeah.
I want Dad to get out of that house.
Is he in the house?
Yeah. I think he was just getting out of the rain.
I want him out of the house.
Why?
Because the house is scary.